With the merge of Asian and Western skincare, there is a ton of new products that came into our markets for the last few years. But what of them is actually needed in a good skincare routine? And is the difference between a toner, a tonic, and an essence anyway? Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel, we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. If you're into that, consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. Before we dive into the difference between toner, tonic, and essence, let me quickly say one thing. I do not believe that you need a 10-step routine to have great skin. Quite on the contrary, I think that it would do us a lot of good to be more minimalistic with the amount of products we slather onto our skin. I did a whole video on what I think are the essentials in a good skincare routine that I'm going to link up there. And while I still stayed by that statement, I love toners. I just enjoy the step and I always use one in my routine. A little skincare history for you. 25 years ago, a toner was an essential part of a Western skincare routine. It was needed to, one, remove the last traces of makeup and dirt because cleansers weren't that effective, and it was really needed to counteract the effects of harsh cleansers. Face soaps like real alkaline soaps were a thing, and that really made the skin feel tight and itchy. The problem was that many toners, in an attempt to make the skin really clean, were high on alcohol, just to get rid of every little bit of oil that was on our face, and that upset our skin even further. And what might be quite a strange notion for you was, for me, my reality when I was growing up. A harsh scrubbing cleanser and then an alcohol-laden toner all over my face, and I can't tell you how tight and irritated my poor acne-prone face was when growing up. Thankfully, we have come a long way since then, and the cleansers we have are gentle and effective, usually respect the skin's pH, and are thorough enough to really take off everything. So why still use a toner? Well, two reasons. Water is alkaline, so if you wash your face with water, no matter what pH your cleanser had, it comes in contact with something that's alkaline, which will change the pH. If applying a low pH toner to balance that will actually help rebalance your skin, experts don't really agree on that, because there are some, and I think they have a good point, that skin is great at rebalancing itself if you just let it be, but I personally think it won't hurt, and I like it for the second reason. Toners add a first layer of lightweight hydration. They dampen the skin, so anything you put on top will be absorbed easier because damp skin more easily absorbs product, and many of them have a ton of humectants, so they provide a first light layer of hydration. Toners are very watery and are supposed to be used right after your cleansing step. They often also come in spray form, which you just mist all over your face, or you can use them, apply them to the palm of your hands, wipe them over your face, or use a cotton pad. Then tonic. What's the difference between a tonic and a toner? The Korean 10-step skincare routine only knows toners and essences, so tonic is more of a Western development. I have found different things, but the one that I heard the most and that made most sense to me was that tonics contain more active ingredients, like, the Pixie ones. The Pixie retinol tonic contains retinol, which is an active ingredient, so it's lightweight, light layer, but has a first active step, which toners usually don't have. So you could say it's a more watered down version of your active step, but still has a different purpose than a toner that just aims at hydration. An essence, on the other hand, described a product that was closer to a serum than a toner, so less watery with a little more body and more active ingredients, quite similar to the Western tonic thing. Still, the main purpose is adding a layer of hydration, but there are things like vitamin C, brightening ingredients, fermenting ingredients, even exfoliating ingredients that are not as concentrated as in your active step, but more as in your toner. In the traditional Korean 10-step routine, there's cleanse, tone, essence, and then you go on to, I think, sheet mask and serum. Absolutely no expert on this, but the essence has a firm place after the toner. So a lightweight layer of hydration, very watery, and then a little firmer, an essence which contains a few more actives but still mainly boosts hydration. And an essence is applied usually with your palms, so you pour it into your palms, press them together, and then press it onto your skin. No wiping with a cotton pad. So is there really a difference between them? I think there was at one point in skincare history, but these days companies just name their products essence, toner, tonic without paying too much attention, and I think it helps best to look at the ingredient list. And again, I really don't think that this is an absolute necessary step, and I'd rather skip all of them instead of skipping my serum. Please tell me in the comments below if you use a toner, tonic, or essence, or all of them, if you find them to be really different. I'd love to hear your thoughts about that. I'm going to link 2 videos that I think you might enjoy, and see you all very soon. Bye!